All right, so I have a question using the binomial distribution. A lot of these you'll see a lot of word problems, so you want to just be able to compute these very quickly, which again, Google Sheets, Google Sheets. So remember in this case, so I have n is 5, and n will be your sample size. Okay, so that's something good to remember. So n is your sample size. P is your probability of success. So in this case was 0.7. And my question asked for the probability of exactly 5. So to do that, you just simply put the lower bound 5 and the upper bound 5. And that gives me my final answer. But like I mentioned, you'll see some of these also as word problems. I'm going to grab something real quick right here. And so if I had something that looks like this, it says a manufacturing machine has a 6% defect rate. Well, I know the probability, and it's always funny because we say the probability of success, but what we're looking for is the success will at least have one defect. All right, it says 9 items, so that is my sample size. What is the probability of at least 1? So at least 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 9. Okay, so that you have to be careful with these at least. And this would be my probability of at least 1. You might be wondering why I have all these other things going on. That's just my complement. Okay, I just added that in there. You probably won't have all these extra things, but it's good to get these binomial probabilities down.